Get your cheeks moving, boo-boo.
Get your booty.
Wee. Wee.
Tweeza kitty. Trisha.
Trisha, move. Patricia! Scram!
Trisha! Just run her over.
He'll jump it.
Are you for real? She's loafing on the jump.
Whoa, child.
Patricia!
She'll move.
Beep, beep. Okay, we gotta go pretend like we're gonna run over Patricia.
Good boy, Mr. Marv. He's so fat you don't even look big on him.
Trisha! Thank you. Okay, you ready, little buddy? It's okay.
Did you run over Trisha?
Holy crap!
Dang! Marvy!
Oof. Marvel.
Marvy.
That
I'm
was
just gonna
cute.
let him go jumper mode.
Ready? Whoa. Okay, thank you. One little one. 2 little one. Go,
Oh, good
puppy.
job, boo-boo. Okay, what number are you wanting?
6.
Get there, but don't put her underneath of that big jump.
Yup. Oof. Okay, off we go. For the plot, Mo.
That will end poorly. Show them what we've got, Marvy.
Says what?
Oh, her phone quality's so good. Good job, boo-boo.
Good girl.
Marvy, slow down. Holy Marvel. Shoot. Marvy.